The Sick Areas disease is always open. Off the record, you gotta get a shotgun and blow the motherfucking thing off the wall. It's more harassment, more shit from this disease. This residential threat should have been condemned decades ago. It is a toxic, dangerous, disgusting, obnoxious nuisance. What kind of city is this? Well, some people are obnoxious, so disgusting, so vile, so dangerous. To even exist in this city, let alone operate next to residents' homes and their families, their senior citizens and their children. This disease is an absolute threat. Off the record, you ought to get a shotgun and blow that motherfucking thing off the wall. You ought to get a shotgun and blow that motherfucking thing off the wall.